Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Munnaik. Today I need to discuss about some problem of determinant. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. This is the exercise of determinant. Exercise. This is the book of author Chittaranjan Malik and Suspita Malik, Engineering Mathematics 1. Okay, the question is given, expand the following determinant. Expand the following determinant. The following determinant. Okay, the question is 1 omega. This is omega, not w. 1 omega minus omega omega. Okay, is equal to how much you see, is equal to, you find the determinant 1 into omega, that is omega, 1 into omega minus omega into omega is equal to omega minus plus omega square. You know the omega is the cube root of unity, cube roots of unity. Okay, that means, and omega q is equal to 1, omega plus omega square plus omega q is equal to 0. Here you see omega plus omega square, that means this much, omega plus omega square is equal to minus omega q. Omega q is equal to 1, that means omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1. Okay, you see the next question. Next question is cos theta. This is b. Okay, the previous one is a, this is b, cos theta. Okay, minus sin theta, sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta. Okay, is equal to how much you see, find the determinant, cos theta into cos theta, cos theta into cos theta, dot means multiplication. Okay, sin theta minus sin theta, this is into minus sin theta, माइनस इज गिवन, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू कीप इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. ये माइनस दिया हुआ है इसलिए आपको क्या करना है, ब्रैकेट में रखना है. ओके, कॉस थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा, दैट इज कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस दिस बिकम प्लस साइन थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा मल्टीप्लीकेशन, दैट इज साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. यू नो दैट ट्रिगोनोमेट्री फार्मूला कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. सो वैल्यू ऑफ दिस डिटरमिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 1. You see the next question, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so determinant of this is equal to only 1. Okay, is equal to 1. Why 1? You see 1 into 1, only this much. Okay, so this is equal to 1. You see next question, 1 plus omega, 1 omega square, 1 omega square, omega square 1 omega square 1 omega. Okay, you see now you you see 1 plus omega square. Now you change c1 tends to c1 plus c2 plus c3. C1 means column 1 can change to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is your C1, this is your C2, this is your C3. That means 1 plus omega square, omega plus omega square plus 1, omega square plus 1 plus omega. C2 become as it is omega square 1. C3 also become as it is यहाँ क्या करना है, C1 को ही हमको चेंज करना है, C2 C3 हमको कुछ नहीं करना है. दिस इज ओमेगा स्क्वायर ओमेगा, ओमेगा स्क्वायर 1 ओमेगा. You know where omega is the cube root of unity. Omega is the cube root of unity, cube roots of unity. Okay, and omega 1 plus omega, that means omega plus omega square plus omega cube is equal to 0. That means omega and omega cube is equal to 1. That means omega plus omega square plus 1 is equal to 0. Here you see 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. That means all these three are 0. That means how much? 0, 0, 0, omega, omega square 1, omega square 1 omega is equal to 0. You know, if any row or column of a determinant is 0, then the value of the determinant is 0. So this becomes 0. Okay, this is your question number 1D. You see the next question 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, is equal to 0. Why? You see, you know, if any two row or column are identical by the property, if any two row or column of a determinant is identical, the value of the determinant is 0. The value of the determinant is 0. Is 0. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There are three columns. First column, second column, third column. In first column, second column, third column, all the columns are equal. That means identical. So this is equal to, so determinant of this is equal to 0. You see the question number 2. Solve the determinant. The question is given 4 2 a 4 2 x plus 1 x is equal to 5 Find the determinant of this 4 into x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, that means 4x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 5. 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x. Here you see 5 is equal to 5. Here minus 2 is here. If you take it to right side, it becomes plus 2. Okay, that means 2x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 by 2. Okay. You see the next question, question number 2, bit B. 7 2x 6x3 x2 7 is equal to, determinant of this is equal to 0 given. You see what is the relation between these elements? 7 plus 2 9 plus x, 6 plus x plus 3 9 plus x plus 2 plus 7 9 plus x. That means you can change into r1 tends to r1 plus r2 plus r3. Okay, that means this is 7 plus 2 plus x, that is 7 plus 2 plus x, 6 plus x plus 3, x plus 2 plus 7. Okay, 2 x 2 x 3 7 is equal to 0. You see 7 plus 2 plus x, that is x plus 9, x plus 9, x plus 9. 2x x3 2 7. Okay. Now taking common x plus 9 from R1. Okay, that is x plus 9 1 2x 1 x 3 1 2 7. Okay, now you subtract c1 tends to is equal to 0. Okay, c1 tends to c1 minus c3. Okay, c1 tends to c1 minus c3. This become x plus 9 1 minus 1 0 2 minus 2 0 x minus 7. Okay, 1 x3 1 2 7. You see, we have changed only c1 to c1 minus c3. हम c1 को चेंज किया है, c2 c3 कुछ नहीं किया है, is equal to 0. That is x plus 9. Okay, you see double 0 are given. That means this is the position of plus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, this is the sign convention. So here x minus 7 1 1 x2 1 1 x2. Okay, is equal to, suppose somewhere two zeros are there, just you take which is non-zeros in the row or column which contain double 0. You see which is non-zero, you take it, and you see this position, the x minus 7 is in this position, that means positive given, that means no change of the sign. Suppose negative given, we have to put the minus sign. Here positive sign is there, that means no change to साइन. ये प्लस साइन दिया है ना, ये कुछ नहीं चेंज होने वाला है. अगर माइनस साइन दिया होगा तो हमको माइनस डालना पड़ेगा. ये प्लस साइन दिया है ना, ये x माइनस 7 ही होगा. और ये रो ये कलम ये रो को हम बंद करना पड़ेगा. 1 1 x2 1 1 x2 ऐसे ही हमको लिखना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स x plus 9 x minus 7. Here you find the determinant. 1 into 2 2 x minus 1 x into 1, that is 2 minus x is equal to 0. That means you see x plus 9 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0, or 2 minus x is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 9, or x is equal to minus 7, x is equal to 7, or x is equal to 2. Okay, here you can get three different value of x. That means x is equal to either 2 or 7 or minus 9. Okay, next you see number 2 bit c. The question is given x plus a bc b x plus c a c a x plus b is equal to 0. Here you observe x plus a b c b x plus c a x plus b. That means suppose we will change r1 tends to r1 plus r2 plus r3. The r1 become x plus a plus x plus a plus b plus c. Okay, here also b plus x plus c plus a, that means x plus a plus b plus c. Here also x plus a plus b plus c. Okay, this b c as it is, these two are as it is, r2 and r3, x plus c a x plus b is equal to 0. Okay, now taking common x plus a plus b plus c, from which you see from r1. Okay, from R1. That means x plus a plus b plus c, 1 b c 1 x plus c a 1 a x plus b. Okay. You see is equal to 0. Okay. You see here now here 3 ones are given. In row 1 3 ones are given. I have to make into maximum number of 0 in row 1. You change R1 C1 tends to C1 C2 minus C1 and C3 tends to C3 minus C1. Okay. That means you C1 minus 1 0. This is equal to 0. This is equal to x plus c minus b. This is a minus c. Here x plus a plus b plus c. Okay. Here you see 1 x plus c a. You see c3 minus c1, that is 1 minus 1 0, a minus b x plus b minus c, x plus b minus c. Now you find the determinant. Okay, this is minus position. Okay, that means this is minus position, that means minus x plus a plus b plus c. Okay, determinant, this is minus position, plus minus minus. This is the row where 2 zeros are there. Okay, that means we have to choose x plus c minus b, a minus b, a minus c, x plus b minus c is equal to 0, right? Okay, implies here minus will 0 by minus 1, minus means minus 1, 0 by minus 1 is equal to how much? 0. That means x plus, you write x plus a plus b plus c. You see here minus is given, that means if you divide with 0 by minus 1, minus means minus 1, then it become again 0. So this minus is not required here. Okay, then you find the determinant, how much? X plus c minus b, x plus b minus c minus, okay, minus a minus c, a minus b. Okay, that means you see x plus a plus b plus c into, you multiply here, how much you get? X into x, x square, x into b, bx, x into minus c, cx. Okay, again c into x, c into x, cx plus cx, c into b, bc, c into minus c, minus c square. Okay, plus minus b into x, minus bx, b into b, minus b square, minus minus plus bc. Okay, minus, you see a into a square, minus a into minus b, a into minus b, minus ab, minus ca plus bc. Okay, that means is equal to 0. Here is equal to 0, here also is equal to 0. This is equal to how much? You see, implies x plus a plus b plus c into, here you see minus cx plus cx will cancel out. Okay, plus bx minus bx cancel out. Okay, that means x square, here bc, here bc, that means 2bc minus c square, minus b square here, minus c square, minus a square plus ab plus CA minus BC is equal to 0. Here we see x plus A plus B plus C into x square plus 2BC here minus BC, that means only BC. Okay, that means write BC minus A square minus B square, you write next, write BC ABC, right, BC plus AB plus CA, BC plus AB plus CA minus A square minus B square minus C square is equal to 0. That means x plus A plus B plus C is equal to 0, or x square plus BC plus AB plus CA minus A square minus B square minus C square is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to, you see, x is equal to minus A plus B plus C, or x square is equal to minus x square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Okay, x is equal to plus or minus root over A square plus B square plus C square, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. Okay. You see the next problem D. Okay, 1 plus x 1 1 1 1 1 plus x 1 plus x is equal to 0 given. Here you observe, you see, if you add r1 plus r2 plus r3, you can get x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3. That means you take r1 tends to r1 plus r2 plus r3. This become x plus 3. You see 1 plus x plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 1 are there, that is 3 plus x, or x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3. Okay, 1 1 1 plus x 1 1 1 plus x. I have changed only r1. मैं r1 ही चेंज किया. कैसे? r1 टेंस टू r1 plus r2 plus r3. Okay, now taking common taking common x plus 3 from, you see, this is r1, from r1. Okay, then it become how much? X plus 3 1 1 1 1 1 plus x 1 1 1 1 plus x. Okay, is equal to 0. Okay, now C1 tends to C1 minus C2, C2 tends to, otherwise you write C2 tends to C2 minus C1, C3 tends to C3 minus C1. Okay, I can make into maximum zeros. Okay, you see 1 1 1, it cannot be changed. I have not changed column 1. Okay, 1 1 1, C2 minus C1, C2 tends to C2 minus C1, that is 1 minus 1, 0, 1 plus x minus 1, 1 plus x minus 1, x, 1 minus 1, 0. Next, C3 tends to C3 minus C1, C3 becomes changed, that is 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 plus x minus 1, 1 plus x minus 1, x, okay, is equal to 0, that is x plus 3. Now you find the determinant. You can get 1 into x, that is only x square, okay, is equal to 0. That means x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x square is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 0, okay. The next question is find the minor and cofactor of the determinant 1, 2, 1, okay, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2. We have to find the minors and cofactors. At first to find the minor, okay. Suppose this is the determinant A, okay. Minor of A, minors of A, minor can be written as M11, Mij, okay, minor can be written as Mij. Here for this element we can write M11, M11 is equal to determinant of 1, 3, 4, 2. You see, consider this element. For this element, this column and this row will suppress. That means 1, 3, 4, 2 is the remaining. Okay, that means find the determinant. 1 into 2, 2 minus 4 into 3. Okay, 1 into 2 minus 4 into 3 is equal to how much? 2 minus 12 is equal to minus 10. Okay, similarly, M12. M12 is equal to, you see, for this element, this row and this column have to suppress 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2. That means 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 3, 2 into 2, minus 1 into 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. M13, M13, M13 is equal to, you see, this is the 1, 3, first row, third column, okay. This column and this row will suppress, that is 2, 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 1, 4. That means how much? 2 into 4 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 1 into 1, that is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Similarly, C21 you write, C21 for this element, this column and this row will suppress, that is 2, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1, 4, 2 is equal to 2 into 2, you see, 2 into 2 minus 4 into 1, that is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. M22, M22 for this element, this is M22, this column and this row will suppress 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, determinant of 1, 1, 1, 2 is equal to 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, M23 M23 is equal to, you see, this is 2, 3, okay, this is the position of 2, 3, second row, third column, this column and this row will suppress, that is 1, 2, 1, 4, determinant of 1, 2, 1, 4 is equal to, you see, 1 into 4 minus 1 into 2, 1 into 4 minus 1 into 2, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now find M31. M31 is equal to, this is the third row, first column, this is the element, that is we have to suppress this row and this column. We can get determinant of 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1 into 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. M32, 32, this is the element, this row and this column will suppress, that is determinant of 1 1 2 3 is equal to 1 into 3 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. M33 is equal to, this is the element, third row and third column. We can suppress this row and this column, that is determinant of 1 2, determinant of 1 2 2 1, that is 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Okay, these are the minus, and we have to find the cofactor of A. Write down cofactor of A. You know the formula C11, Cij is equal to, what is the cofactor? Cij is equal to minus 1 I plus j Mij. This is the formula. Okay, we can apply here. For C11, minus 1 1 plus 1 M11 is equal to minus 1 1 plus 1, that is even power, so this is plus. You see, minus 1 to the power 2, even power means plus, minus 1's even power means plus, minus 1's odd power means minus. Okay, that is minus 1 to the power 2, that is 1 into M11. M11 is equal to minus 10. Okay, is equal to minus 10. C21 is equal to minus 1, C21 not 1 2, sorry, C12 is equal to 1 plus 2 M12. You see, this is negative power, minus 1 to the power 3, so you can get minus here. M12 is equal to 1, minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. C13 is equal to minus 1, 1 plus 3 M13. You see, 1 plus 3 is 4, minus 1 to the power even power, that is 4, so we can get 1. M13 is equal to how much? 13 is equal to 7 is equal to 7. C21 is equal to minus 1 2 plus 1, again M21. You see, odd power, that means minus 1 into 21 is equal to how much? 0 is equal to 0. C22 is equal to minus 1 2 plus 2 M22 is equal to minus 1 even power, that means plus 1. M22 is equal to how much? 1 is equal to 1. C23 is equal to minus 1 2 plus 3 M23 is equal to how much? You see, odd power minus 1 2 3 2 3 is equal to 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, next C31 is equal to minus 1 3 plus 1 M31 is equal to, you see, 3 plus 1 even power, that is 1 into M31. M31 is equal to 5 is equal to 5. C32 is equal to minus 1 3 plus 2 M32 is equal to this, you see, minus 1 to the power 5, that means odd power. Okay, odd power means minus 1 M32 is equal to how much? 1 is equal to minus 1. C33 is equal to minus 1 3 plus 3 M33 is equal to, you see, 3 plus 3 6. Okay, even power of minus 1, that is 1 into M33 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Okay,